Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Sifla Khan. Today is a big day for Pakistan. Today is 16 December 2021 and 16 December is called to be a black day for Pakistan because of two big reasons. One is in a earlier phase and second one is in the last phase I will discuss. First is Bangladesh. Now today is its 50 years of Bangladesh was creation was completed, and Bangladesh is making its Independence Day today on 16 December 2021. So we wish from Pakistan happy Independence Day to them. But this happy Independence Day word is very worst and very horrible for all the Pakistanis because after the partition of South Asia, India is divided into actually not two but three states. One is independent India, and one is on the west side, which is called West Pakistan, and on the eastern side is called East Pakistan. So basically, South Asia is divided in three steps. But now, after 1947 till 1971, Pakistan and East Pakistan and West Pakistan was considered to be a Pakistan, and because of horrible and immature this the way the leaders have put the Bangladeshi people same injustice and inequality from the votes towards the right of the language. Urdu was equated more language which is not actually the language of common Pakistanis in this geographical area, but of the which came from India, Uttar Pradesh, from which it's born from Lucknow. It's the birth of this Urdu language, but it was pressurized to be a official language of Pakistan. And during the and after 1947, the the Bengali language was also imposed to be the language of Pakistan, but it was not done according to the wish of the Bengali people. But its after effects come, then the injustice come, and this injustice result very horrible fact, because if I go to take you the past in 1906, when the partition of Bengal if we goes, similarly when we know that Calcutta's the rich people lives in the West Bengal, and the poor people lives on the East Bengal, and the West Bengals are big businessmen, and the East Bengal there are poor people. So the influencers also do the same job in the past, which after the birth of Pakistan, similarly the West Pakistan is doing with East Pakistan. So but what happened with West Bengal and East Bengal was at micro level, but in macro level we have seen when they have when East Pakistan trust on the West Pakistan, it was looking the same, not because of the religion but because of the influence which they have always imposed. This really ridiculous and a hard and a dark phase of South Asia and Pakistan, which we strongly condemn, and we understand now what we have done, what we are seeing Pakistanis today is because of their own negligence and own mistakes. And regardless this, I just want to tell you now, after why Pakistan East Pakistan become Bangladesh, because of our own mistakes, because what we have done is really hard and very there may be a wrong statistics or wrong but reality is that there are so many hard and wrong things which we Pakistanis did with Bengali people, and which is why today in 1971 the Bangladesh was made, and we realized that how the Bangladesh after 1971, how Bangladesh grow, how independently it moves, and how it is his business, his economy, his GDP was increased in around the globe, and how wherever we go in the foreign, the clothes, the pants, everything is from Bangladesh, and it was increasing phenomenally, even better than Bangladesh GDP is better than the Indian GDP. which is which is really which cannot be not be possible if East Pakistan was here and attached with West Pakistan. In that dependency, it cannot be possible, which is today possible. So one thing is that, so whatever happened, we Pakistani is not like the independence of Bangladesh, because it hurt us like same. The India cannot like the division of South Asia, like which was made Pakistan, but then Bangladesh by Mukti Bahini or other elements by our inner, and those elements, whatever that time the Congress, whatever they played a role in an Indian army and whatever they put in the war and the 13 days war, whatever it happened, but it resulted in the end of East Pakistan and Pakistan. But one thing is clear, that the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he's told us that even Pakistan was divided in one state or in other states, it will be a blessing for South Asia. So we are seeing it's after it, because he is thinking for the long term, not the short term. And one day he see that India and Pakistan will be friends like Canada and USA. So we wish that it will happen soon. So on this 50 years of Bangladesh independence, we wish that it happened, and for Pakistan we accept our mistakes and we realize that we stand with Bangladeshis and we feel the same, because we are Muslims. Because of this we have independent this country and we all live together, and what we have done, we have to change our mindset and be positive and make South Asia peaceful and progressive towards for the betterment of our planet and towards success, towards globally and climate wise, economical wise, or towards women rights or whatsoever, because we are the same people of the same mindset with the same DNA. Okay, the next point which I want to highlight is our South on 16 December 2014, which was happened on APS Peshawar, which is in Pakistan. There are around 132 kids which will be killed by or martyred by the terrorist group TLP, which was very terrorism, which Pakistan strongly condemned by all the Pakistanis. And what happened with them, we strongly condemn them. The way the teachers were killed, the way each small kid which have nothing to do with any terrorism, nothing to do with anything, he or she going only towards study and lost life. And the parents, whatever happened, it was a same pain, and not only Pakistan but from all over the world, even India, everyone is feeling the same humanitarian whatever happened by terrorism group which and still what was happened, the parents today on 16 December 2021, the pain was same, nothing was changed, and we are all crying, we are all feeling the same pain for even every Pakistani, even every child and mother feeling the same pain. It was very ruthless and very harmful for us to negotiate under the leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan. We wish that Prime Minister Imran Khan will educate them, will change the mindset, and we see it's after not the way it was, but we have to because it was a truth that we never won through battles, through hard, but the negotiation is the best policy, and diplomacy is the smarter way to win or counter the hardships attack which Iran and can and neutralize it by negotiation. It is the only way which we can do. So we wish that APS Peshawar will never repeat again in Pakistan, and the way what it happens, because of this the whole Pakistan the awareness come, and the whole Pakistani schools, colleges, universities, everyone's walls are now changed, and it was changed in a secure way, and this is why the security also increased in Pakistan, which is a big change we have seen in this 16 December 2021, that the security and more alertness has come towards Pakistan, This is the great by government of PTI, or following whatever the governments are changing, but the security and the technology was increasing. So we wish that whatever the Islamic radicalization or whatever they say it is, but it is not that kind of thing. We need to educate, we need to bring all the peoples together, because we are same people, same Pakistani people, same mindset people. 97% Muslims percentage we have, only 3% non-Muslims or other communities live here. So we have to regard this, and we have to be united to make our nation Pakistan more secure, more Islamic, more positive, more where inequality and injustice will be given, women rights. So this I just all want to say, the 16 December, on 16 December 2021. So God bless you all, and Pakistan Zindabad. Love you all. Stay blessed and keep working for betterment of Pakistan. Allah Hafiz. Bye.